Hi guys, just a few tips for the washing machine. Everybody gets the same thing, but just so we don't forget, keep it open. That way we minimise the mould, which is impossible. Always use the standard delicate cycle, this one here. Once in a while, once a month, give it a drum clean. Don't put too much soap in it because it may slightly release fluids on the floor. Stick to the maximum load size, which is either up to here or just a little bit over your basket. And once every so often, recommended once a month, open this up and just check the filter. Nothing is hardly ever there. I don't know where it goes. But when we follow these instructions, we don't have issues. We have had 2 times on occasion this laundry room to be flooded, but it's generally only been when it's been overloaded and it becomes out of order. If this delicate cycle hasn't solved the issue, maybe consider soaking it beforehand or just throwing it in again. It does tend to function a little bit oddly and not always to the full cycle if it's not on this cycle. Thanks.